Polynomial long division is the same algorithm as dividing whole numbers, just with powers of x instead of place value. On the SAT, you might simplify a rational expression, find a slant asymptote, or rewrite a quotient neatly. Stay organized, keep degrees lined up, and watch for missing terms that need zero placeholders. You divide the leading term of the dividend by the leading term of the divisor to get the next term of the quotient. Subtract means add the opposite. That is where sign errors love to hide, so move slowly. Stop when your remainder has degree less than the divisor or when you reach zero remainder. We will work through 3 levels: a quick quadratic, a full cubic, and a problem where you must insert zero placeholders for missing powers. Example 1, easy. Divide x squared plus 5x plus 6 by x plus 2. Step 1, x squared divided by x is x. Multiply x times x plus 2 to get x squared plus 2x. Subtract from x squared plus 5x plus 6, you get 3x plus 6 after you bring down the 6. Step 2, 3x divided by x is 3, multiply 3 times x plus 2 to get 3x plus 6. Subtract and the remainder is 0, so the quotient is x plus 3. That matches factoring x plus 2 times x plus 3. Example 2, medium, divide 2x cubed minus x squared plus 3x minus 5 by x minus 1. First term 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared. Multiply and subtract to get x squared plus 3x. Continue the routine. The next quotient term is x, then plus 4, with remainder negative 1. You can verify the remainder by plugging x equals 1 into the numerator, because x minus 1 goes to 0, and the numerator must match the remainder there. Always write the remainder over the original divisor if it is not 0. Example 3, harder. Divide x cubed minus 8 by x minus 2. Notice missing x squared in x terms. Rewrite the dividend as x cubed plus 0, x squared plus 0x minus 8. Those zeros prevent column shifts. Now divide. The quotient comes out x squared plus 2x plus 4, and the remainder is 0. That is the difference of cubes pattern in disguise, which is why it factors cleanly. Common mistake, skipping placeholder terms so your subtraction lines up wrong. If a degree is missing, insert 0x to that power before you start dividing. Another mistake is subtracting without distributing a negative across every term in the product row. SAT Pro Tip. Synthetic division is a fast shortcut when you divide by x minus a. It packs the same multiply-add steps into a compact table, which saves time when a is a nice integer. Still, long division explains what synthetic is doing, so learn both for flexibility. Recap. First, repeat divide, multiply, subtract, bring down until the remainder is small enough. Second, use zero placeholders so like terms stay aligned in every column. Third, for nice divisors x minus a, synthetic division can be your fastest friend. Practice more on NovaMaths.